Hey YouTube, this is my first video of my first year of restoration of a Z28 that I bought June 6, 2018. It's a 1978 Camaro Z28 and it was flat black and somebody has started to restore it. I towed it home with my friend Stefan and his big ass truck. So I got it home. Got it running and started to list the things that I needed to replace and fix. First thing I got was new seats that I just cleaned up and they were ready to go. And then I started work on a carburetor. Got a repair kit and just redone all the bushings and all that. There's my son, 5 years old, helping me out. So I started to get it disassembled to get it to paint. The car had a 350 in it and a TH turbo 350 automatic gearbox, stock 273 rear end, and a lot of junk in it. This is my daughter helping me getting all the rust out, and it was ready for paint. I had a professional friend of mine's cousin doing the all the painting because I would mess things up even more if I did myself. Back home again, starting to assemble it. Got the back seat cleaned up and put into place, and yeah, there it is. And starting to assemble the hood and hood scoop, grill and lights, and also the tail lights back in place. So I got it running. Installed a new headliner, and then I was pretty much done on the exterior. Still need to put on the front spoiler. And I got started to get it ready for inspection and could even take it out on short trips with my kids and so on. Nej, någon radio har vi inte. And I finally got it through inspection, and summer was going into autumn. So I got it into my friend's garage and got the engine out. Took the engine back home again. Took it apart, met with my friends.
Kamkedjesträckaren verkar vara ur funktion.
Ingår inte.
Jag kan nästan lyfta av det.
Gör det.
Nästan.
Den här var ju 6an, va? Ja. Eller fel?
Det är något annat håller det.
Det där är en knock. Det var en knock. Och sen har vi...
Fan, vad var det? Där.
Mm. En del är lite trötta. Det är inte många som är bra faktiskt. And the old engine was in such bad condition, so I started looking for a restore parts and found somebody's project that he never finished. It was a 350 4-bolt main, bored 30 over to the 355, and it was a 4-bolt main with a forged crank, a GM original. And I also got new sealed power pistons, 11:1 compression ratio, even though they didn't know what heads I was using. And the camshaft was a Cam XE 274H, flat tappet, hydraulic lifters, and the heads are world competition sportsman 2 heads with a lot of good stuff put into them. I got like titanium studs and retainers, had big cam springs, rocker arms, roller rockers with a 1:6 ratio. And I had to measure out the push rods to match with it. And then was finally assembled. So got it back to the car, tried to put it together with a gearbox and clutch. I was going for a 4-speed manual now, from Richmond, Super T10. This is a slave cylinder for the center force clutch. We had to refabricate a lot of things to make it a stick shift. It used to be automatic, as you know. Eric pointing out where the engine goes, so we don't get it mixed up. This is Stefan fixing the gear shifter hole fit better. This is me on a very hungover day. We built a new mount for the master cylinder and dropped the engine in. And then we fabricated an exhaust system, 3-inch system. And I'm very good at welding. Yeah, 3-inch X-pipe going into 2.5-inch. I was planning on having cutouts, but realized I didn't need it. Then just get it running and breaking in the camshaft. This was supposed to be the first test run, but the hydraulic lines for the clutch got caught into the flywheel and I snapped it, so just roll it back in and take the gearbox and clutch down and replace the lines. That's pretty much what I accomplished over the first year. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.